provided 2 decades of continuity, and likewise Singapore, Korea, China, Turkey, take any country. So unfortunately, in 75 years, Pakistan has not been very fortunate in having stability. And I always say, and I keep repeating, that for any country to develop, there are 4 prerequisites: peace, stability, continuity of policy for a decade, and a continuous commitment to reforms, to change. And if these 4 ingredients are not there, no matter how good your intentions are, nothing will take place. So it is about time, and I hope that we have learned our lessons, and the 5 E's agenda, which is a national economic transformation plan that seeks to set up a socio-economic foundation for Pakistan that will enable Pakistan to become, inshallah, a $1 trillion economy by 2035. We hope that political instability will not come in its way, and we will be able to, inshallah, achieve our goals. And the 5 E's, as very rightly mentioned, completely align with the objectives of this conference. Pakistan has great challenge. We are facing extreme pressure of resources. I am a planning minister who has to fight or knock off mountains of poverty, unemployment, underdevelopment, but I have no resources at my hand because we are under very tight fiscal IMF program. Recently, 300 billion rupees we had to cut from our development program only to save our people from more taxation as part of the fiscal discipline or stabilization program that we have to follow. So in such situation, when you do not have resources or investments for growth, how do you grow? The only key for growth is productivity increase. Only through productivity we can create new growth. And for productivity, the skill set of human resource is very critical and essential. So therefore, the investing in developing the skill set of our youth, skill set of our workforce is of paramount importance in our growth strategy, because through this we can enhance our productivity, and through productivity we can generate extra growth for which we don't have investments to make, because as I said, without investments this is the only alternative that we can follow. So under 5 E's framework, we are trying to promote digitalization to overcome the challenges of limited infrastructure and geographical barriers. Online learning platforms will provide vocational training to young people across the country, ensuring that no one is left behind. And when we speak of inclusivity, it is not just the women, it is also